In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Acuity scheduling to Square. This integration will streamline your billing process, making it easier and faster for both you and your clients. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. Open your browser and type in the URL for Acuity scheduling. Once there, you'll see the homepage where in the top right-hand corner, there's a login button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Next, enter your email address in the provided field and then click the next button. If you've enabled the Google login feature for quicker access, you can opt to click continue with Google. This option allows you to bypass the password field, significantly speeding up the login process. After choosing this option, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Simply select the account you typically use with Acuity scheduling. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Acuity dashboard. This dashboard is your control center for managing appointments, clients, and of course, payment settings. To proceed, look for the payment settings option, which should be prominently displayed. Click on payment settings to enter the payment configuration page. Here you'll see several payment processors, but for this tutorial we'll focus on Square. Select Square from the list of available processors. After selecting Square, a new Connect button will appear. Click on Connect to begin the linking process. At this point, you'll need to sign into your Square account. Enter your Square credentials, which are typically your email and password. Make sure you have these ready before you start this process, as it will save you time. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection between Square and Acuity. These prompts are usually straightforward, but pay close attention to any permissions or agreements that need your approval. Once all the steps are completed, your Acuity scheduling account will be linked to Square. This means that your clients can now pay through Square when scheduling their appointments, and you can manage all transactions directly from your Acuity dashboard. That's it, your Acuity scheduling account is now successfully connected to Square. This integration is not only convenient, but also helps you keep all your appointments and payments in one easy to manage place. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Integrating Acuity scheduling with Square can really optimize your workflow and enhance the experience for your clients by providing them with a seamless payment solution. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.